In this tutorial we're going to be looking at hiding information, but making it nice and easy for people to unhide it who may not be as tech savvy. So for example, if I wanted to highlight a few columns that I wanted to hide to make it less complicated, what you do is you press Shift, Alt and the right arrow key, and you'll notice up here that we now have a tab. So if I click it, it disappears. If I press the plus, it appears again. So it's easy for you to analyze data, to compare data, but if you want that information back very quickly without having to go the right click and unhide route, you can just press the plus and it will reappear again. And do each column separately if you wanted. So you could do it by one column, or you can do it by a whole collection of data. Enjoy!